This is the canal for the flood control here in Yuen Long, Hong Kong. You see? And that is the MTR railway. Many bikes here to keeping it, because inside it's not allowed to keep some like this in the area. So everywhere here in Yuen Long they can put in they can keep the key in order not to lose. You see, all the bikes is here. And this is the new building here in Yuen Long. Long Ping Ho Yuen Long. New building. We are on service also, preparing, checking if something to repair. You see, they are doing some checking also. Checking. MTR station.